All right, let us quickly solve this WAEC problem. This is West African Examination Council problem. Okay, question number 5. Now we have that this squared minus this squared. They are just trying to bring in the concept of squared. Okay, for them to know if you know the concept of squared. Now the concept of difference of two squared. The concept of difference of two squared. You should remember that if I have x squared minus y squared, that is the same thing as saying x, the first one, minus the second one is being multiplied by the first one plus the second one. So that is the concept they are trying to bring here. So that is now, we now have that they gave me that what? 2p minus q all squared minus p plus q all squared. Now, this is the difference of two things that are squared, like I said here. So in this formula now, what it simply means that anywhere you see x, substitute with 2p minus q. And anywhere you see y, substitute with what? P plus q. So we're going to have x minus y, which is what? 2p minus q, okay? Minus, what is my y? My y is what? P plus q. Now, don't forget that minus is a powerful something. You have to always put it in brackets so that you don't make mistake, okay? So you are going to multiply it with the same thing you did again. You're going to multiply it with the same thing, repeat it, 2p minus q, okay, plus p plus q. Then you close. So that is that. So we're going to have that this is, now let's open this bracket. So I'm going to have 2p minus q. This time needs to give you minus p minus q, then into 2p minus q, then plus p plus q. Okay, so now this is going to be, now this minus this will give you p, okay, while minus q will give you minus 2q is being multiplied by, now 2p plus this will give you 3p, okay, then minus this plus this is gone. So now finally I'm left with, now let us you can decide to open this bracket depending on what your option is, but the answer is simply 3p in bracket of what? P minus 2q. Okay, if this is in the option, that is the answer, but if not, we can decide to multiply everywhere to get another answer as well. Okay, so that is that. Maybe if this is not the answer, definitely we are going to have that this time this is what? 3p squared minus this time this will give you 6pq. Okay, so any of them should be the answer depending on what you are seeing in the option. So thank you very much for watching again. Please, we love you. Always like our video and comment. Bye bye.